A kidney donor literally going the extra mile to help a New Hampshire woman in need.
She made it from Chicago to Boston in the middle of a blizzard. Incredible. Kelly Nixon was supposed to fly from Anchorage, Alaska to Boston to help Michelle Wood in Boston. Michelle has a form of kidney disease that is deadly without a transplant. Kelly and her husband had their travel plans disrupted when they got stuck in Chicago because of last month's storm. The couple then decided to rent a car and drove hundreds of miles through the blizzard to get to Boston.
It was really windy, right? So we're getting tossed around a bit, and we ended up making it, in 2 days.
I have so much love for Kelly, and this big, amazing, enormous gift that she's done is phenomenal.
Truly phenomenal. Kelly made it just hours before the surgery. Both say they will be telling the story for years to
Almost
come.
feels like the plot of a movie.
Yeah.
Right? In the
Wow.
nick of time and all is well.
Incredible.